6 common sense questions and riddles that will stretch your mind. And let's start the video. Number 1. If you drop me, I will probably crack. Give me a smile, I will always smile back. What am I? That's mirror. Number 2. I travel over the world, but always stay in my corner. What am I? A stamp. Number 3. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? Footsteps. Number 4. What's in the beginning and the end, but not in the middle? What is that? It's an alphabet. Number 5. Say my name and I am no more. What am I? That is silence. Number 6. What is the only word that's spelled wrong in the dictionary? It's word wrong. How many questions and riddles you answered correctly? Comment under the video, and thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, to subscribe Math VPN channel to watch more interesting videos, and you can watch mathematics statistics concept on Math VPN channel. Thanks once again for watching this video. See you in the next video very soon.